Song number 28, Half Notes Happen. This is an exercise in playing half notes which get 2 beats. So make sure that you save your bow, going down bow, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's begin and look ahead to bar 3 where you have 1 half note on the D string and then the next one is 1 half note on the A string. So make sure you're going to cross your strings, your bow. You're going to cross your strings with your bow in advance. Here we go. I'm going to put the metronome on. This indicates my quarter note beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing position, please. Put your thumb at the side of the neck. Make sure you have a nice space underneath the thumb. And your bow hold is ready. At the frog on the D string. After 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, D, A string. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drawing your bow close to the bridge. Cross string, stay string. And then freeze right here for a few seconds, then put your violin down.